Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made this Christmas wreath from supplies from Dollar Tree. Very easy. So here I'm cutting up all of my material, about 8 inches long. I'm using a rotary cutter to do so. This right here that I'm using is a mesh Deco ribbon. And I'm taking some pipe cleaners that I cut in half and tying them around the wreath. Make sure your scissors are sharp. It is very hard to do. But I had tied it so that way I can use this as an anchor to put all of the ribbon and anything else that I want to decorate the wreath with. Here I am using the Deco mesh ribbon as well as some snowflake tulle and tying that to all of the pipe cleaners around the wreath wire. I continue to do this around the entire wreath. I think I've done about 6. After that, I fluff out all of the materials, the tulle and the Deco mesh ribbon, and I'm using the wired plaid ribbon to add more volume and fluff to the wreath. I have not yet cut it, but I will eventually. I'm just tying it around the wreath wire and making loops, and I'm also using a piece of wire and the pipe cleaner to kind of tie it there. I'm also just looping it around to make 3 loops to make it look like a bow, but not a real bow. After that, I am going on to the other side and do the exact same thing with the ribbon after I had cut it. Tying it there using either the pipe cleaner or tying it directly onto the wreath wire structure, and just making loops to make it real nice and fluffy. Next, I am taking the mesh tubing and tying it around. I did the exact same thing with the gold ribbon that I've done with plaid ribbon. Now I'm just adding in the extra green mesh ribbon that I found in my bag of supplies that I've used in past projects, just to add some more fullness to it, and taking those tube mesh and tying it into bows. Now I'm taking the red glitter tool and just wrapping that around in all of the exposed areas and fluffing it out. And you have a finished wreath. All from Dollar Tree. I think I spent less than $10. And there you go. Happy holidays.